don't fucking record me. Yo. I'm so fucking pro. Bless Scott doesn't know. I'm so realistic. This nigga doesn't even know. And yes, it's coming hot because I'm so not blood clot. And I just hiccup it. And you know what? It's so cute, is it not? So please relax. And I'm gonna bring up first my katana. This is something like, ha.
It's too loud. It's too loud, bro.
I'm sorry.
That was fake.
Obviously. Yo. You hear these hoes in the background. They see, they don't know. But you know, we're gonna clarify. Some of the vaginas never seen.
How long does it fucking take to put on a bathing suit? Let's go.
Okay. Oh, you saved my face.
I know. Get the hanger.
Yo.
Shh.
Yo. Excuse me.
Sitting there.
Yo, out with my fucking ghost.
Nope. Kyle's ghosted. He's ghosting.
Again.
Don't kill yourself. This actually looks so funny.
Yo, you want to crazy? Oh shit, the camera. Oh. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
You're too loud, bro.
Where the vagina is at? Yo. I'm a newborn.
Kyle, you're so loud. It's disrespectful, man. Okay, I'm gonna confiscate this.
No, it's my world. It's my world.
You look so.
Oh, fuck!
What, man?
Go in the hawk.
Do you want to leave?
No. I want to go in there.
You gotta go, man.
No, I'm sorry. You're right. I'm sorry. Yo, watch this. It's called ridiculousness. 2013. Ridiculousness. Ridiculousness to
Take the vid.
You wanna do it? Okay, yo. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta get out of this fucking basket.